Yo, yo, yo. What's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got another crazy video for you. It's the Cookup with Jerry Legend, working on a crazy, smooth R&B vibe. And I can't wait for you guys to check it out. So let's get right into it.
Hey, I'm done. Girl, I'm going yeah, back into the streets where I belong. Girl, I'm going back into the streets where I belong. The same as those other niggas that's in your phone. In your phone, yeah. One more time. In other niggas that's in your phone. That's in your phone, yeah. Same as those other niggas that's in your phone. That's in your phone, yeah. Baby, that I said it would be different. No. Alright, try something. Baby, yeah. Baby, no, you thought that it'd be different, but no. Let me get that, but no. But no. Baby, no, you thought that it'd be different, but no. No, but no. Okay, let me hear the whole thing back. Thought that I wouldn't be pretending.
If you use a Tinder bar, that'd be tough.
Okay, ooh. Cause you thought you had a keeper, and that's why we shouldn't meet on Tinder. And that's why we shouldn't meet on Tinder. Thought you had a sweet. Thought you had, that's why we shouldn't meet on Tinder. Thought you had a sweepstakes winner, but no, no. Shouldn't meet on Tinder. Thought you had a sweepstakes winner, but no. Let me get that one. Thought you had a sweepstakes. Thought you had a keeper, and that's why we shouldn't meet on Tinder. Thought you had a sweepstakes winner, but no, no. We'll say, but you got an enemy. Instead of showing love, we matching energy.
There you go.
Okay, but you got an enemy. We should be shy.
Now you want to say we...
Yeah, I got the first part.
Yeah, you good.
Instead we showing love and matching energies. Instead of showing love, we yeah. Instead of showing love, we matching energies. Oh, no. But you got an enemy. Instead of showing love, we matching energies. Showing love, we matching energies. You thought you had it different, but obviously I hadn't said. You thought you had it different, but honestly you make bad decisions. Could've been your lover, been your friend, been your man. This is why you chill, This is why you chill and don't need a man. Alright. Could've been your lover, been your friend. This is why you chill and don't need a man. Need a man. God, letting down your guard, trying to take a chance. Got you saying, oh nigga, not again. Need a man. Letting down your guard, trying to take a chance. Got you saying, oh nigga, not again. Got you saying, oh nigga, not again. Alright, punch me right there. Oh, but my friends. Should've listened to your friend. Alright. Oh nigga, not again. You should've listened to your friends. No, not again. You should've listened to your friends. Now got you crying, trying to play bad. Now got you crying, you should've. Now got you crying, ain't on the cans. Now it's got you hiding on your love again. Got you saying, no nigga, not again. Oh, no. And now it's got you hiding on your love again. Got you saying, no nigga, not again. No, 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 no.
So there you have it, man. That's basically the process of, recording, tracking, creating a song. I really want you guys to dig in and see what we did here. And if you're ready to take this to the next level, you want to know what it takes to finish this song and, record the same way that we do, pick up our masterclass. It's right down below, and it's really going to teach you all the things you need to take your song from rough to a finished diamond. So, hey, man, that's all I got for you today. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Remember, be humble. Make diamonds only. It's your man, VV. Peace.
VVS.
Girl, I'm going back into the streets where I belong. The same as those other niggas that's in your phone. That's in your phone, yeah. Baby, know you thought that it'd be different, but no. No, but no. Cause you thought you had a keeper, and that's why we shouldn't meet on Tinder. Thought you had a sweepstakes winner, but no. But you got an enemy. Instead of showing love, we matching energies. You thought you had it different, but honestly you make bad decisions. Could've been your lover, been your friend. This is why you chill and don't need a man. Letting down your guard, trying to take a chance. Got you saying, oh nigga, not again. Got you saying, oh nigga, not again. You should've listened to your friends. And now it's got you hiding on your love again. Got you saying, oh nigga, not again.